Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about Unit 4, that is, plants and animals. But before starting, I am going to tell you about Unit 3. Unit 3 I will teach you later on. In Unit 4, we will discuss about two chapters. Now, let's move towards the chapter. Unit 4, Plants and Animals. So, first of all, we will move towards our first lesson, that is food from plants. Children, as you know, there are different types of plants around us. Some plants are big and some are small. What are plants? Plants are living things. They are made up of cells. They need air, water, soil, and sunlight to live. They cannot move from one place to another, but their leaves move to catch the sun and their roots move to get water. Their seeds can be carried by animals or blown by the wind. Types of plants. They are trees, shrubs, climbers, herbs, and creepers. Parts of a plant. Plants have many different parts. Each part has its own function. Roots. Roots grow under the ground. They fix the plant in the soil. Stem. The stem grows above the soil. It bears leaves, flowers and fruits. Flowers. Flowers have different sizes, shapes, colors and scents. They grow from buds. Fruits. Fruits grow on plants that have flowers. Leaves. Leaves make food for the plants. They are mostly green in color. You know, children, how plants make food? By photosynthesis. Plants make their own food. Leaves are the most important part of the plant for this process. Within the leaf is a green material called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight to make a natural sugar that the plant uses for food. This process is called photosynthesis. Do you know what plants need? Plants need water, air, sunlight and soil. Uses of plants. Plants provide us fruits and vegetables, grains and pulses, medicines, oil, spices, wood, perfumes, food for animals, and what is the most important thing we get from plants? That is oxygen. This is the time for your activity, children. So you all are ready to do the activity? Okay. In this activity, you have to name the parts of a plant and write inside of the box. Now, next activity is complete the puzzle. Puzzle given here, you have to see the picture and write its name. Now let's move towards lesson 2, that is flowers. Lesson 2, flowers. You know, children, flowers look very beautiful and it has a good smell. We keep flowers in our house in a flower pot. So now let's learn about flowers. You know, children, what is the national flower of India? Yes, correct answer, lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. It grows in water. It is mostly found in pink color. Jasmine. Jasmines are generally white in color. There is something about this flower. They are known for lovely sweet smell. This is also used to make scent. Jasmine is the symbol of beauty. Lily. The lily is a genus of flowering plant. There are many species of lilies like trumpet lilies and tiger lilies. Daffodil. Daffodils, also known by their botanical name Narcissus, are easy and reliable spring flowering bulbs. Dahlia. Dahlia flowers come in varying shades of white, yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple depending on its variety. Children, hope you understood the chapter nicely. Thank you.